How to send USDT from OKX to another OKX account? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send USDT from OKX to another OKX account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch OKX mobile application on your device. Make sure to log into your OKX account. Now, you have to tap Allow to allow OKX to send you notifications. Tap on Assets tab at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap Withdraw button at top of the screen and you will see a list of cryptocurrency and you have to select USDT. After that, you have to choose the withdrawal method and fill out the details. On the next page, you have to select the address type for the recipient. You can choose from the options like phone number, email address, or sub account. Enter the appropriate details for the option you selected and you have to enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Tap Confirm and make sure that there are no fees for internal transfers. After reviewing the details, tap the Submit button and your withdrawal will be processed and the USDT will be sent to the recipient's OKX account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.